What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here. I hope you're all having a great day. So, RaiBlocks is down 20.18% today. It is at just under $15. That is $14.81 USD. If you're looking to get into RaiBlocks XRB today, I think it could be a good day, and we're going to go into that. So, right over here, we are on KuCoin, and we have their exchange up. This is to Ethereum, but I'm really just worried about the actual graphing, not necessarily the prices. You'd have to do the conversion, but it's at about $15 right now. So if you look at, let's go back a little bit on to right over here. What is this and what is this? This is Bollinger Bands. These constrict and widen depending on price volatility, and RSI is a momentum oscillator. It oscillates between these variables, and when it goes below this line over here, about 30, it's considered oversold. When it goes above 80, it's overbought. Usually when it's oversold, you're going to be having lower prices. Overbought, you're going to be having higher prices. Now, let's go back to right over here. Let's say, because this is a strategy we're going to be using. I trade a lot using RSI and Bollinger Bands. It is a strategy that I've been using for a while. It doesn't provide you 100%, perfection. It's not gonna, there's no trading strategy that gives you 100% of the time you're gonna make positive trades. But I would say if you do this strategy consistently and you apply it consistently, you will have a 5-to-1 ratio for how you win, meaning you'll have 5 small gains and you'll have, 1 small loss. It's a decent strategy, and it's very simple to use. Once you get better at it and you know how to, tweak with it, different variables, then you could improve that 5-to-1 ratio, and I certainly have. So over here, this was a while ago. This is not today. This was a few days ago, and over here you see this red candlestick, and this candlestick goes out of the Bollinger Band. So this blue outline is the Bollinger Band. This goes way below it, and look what else dropped a ton too. RSI. RSI dropped just below overbought, or oversold, I should say. It dropped just below oversold. This indicated a buying opportunity, and if you actually did do that, you would have bought, and you would have already been in the green for within a day. This is how you do day trading, at least one strategy. And this is how you find entry points. I don't even really day trade. I just like finding good entry points when I'm buying a cryptocurrency. So you buy it over here because you have 2 indicators. You have a checklist. Is it out of the Bollinger Band? Yes. Is RSI oversold? Yes. So you buy it and it comes up and you get into the green, and you've been in the green because you buy it at that red candlestick, and now we're over here. Now we had a huge dip today, and there's a decent amount of volume over here. Not a ton, but a good amount. And look at that dip. That is because if you go back to over here, it was just slightly out of the Bollinger Band. That indicates, a partial, I would say that it indicates a buying opportunity if you really want to get into it, but you should really hold for those huge dips. And we go, look how much the Bollinger Band's right here, right at this blue outline, it drops way below here. This is where you should buy, where you should have bought. I mean, even if you buy right here, it's fine too, but these right over here is where you should have bought. And if you're watching the video, this is going to be time sensitive. I'm not sure where the price is going to be. It might be a little bit higher, might be a little bit lower. I don't really care. You could try all day finding the perfect price point. Like I could buy today and it drops again tomorrow, right? That's very possible. It depends on how bad you want it. Then again, if you're holding out too long and you say, "Oh, I'm going to wait for the perfect price, the perfect drop," it could eventually rebound, and you could lose out on your opportunity. So you have to be careful with that. Sometimes it's okay to buy even though it's not at the total bottom, and you buy at, let's say, $15, it goes down to 13, and then you get that Bollinger Band recovery. So right now it is at $15. Let's go to our checklist. We had it drop out of the Bollinger Band right over here. This huge red candlestick. And RSI way oversold compared to where we were just looking at a few days ago. This is way oversold. It's under 20. Anything under 30 is considered oversold, but this goes under 20, which is huge, which is a good buying opportunity if you're interested in RaiBlocks. Where's the price of RaiBlocks going to go? I think there is a psychological barrier at $20, and I like buying where I could firmly see where the psychological barrier is. And I think it definitely could get to $20. I think it could definitely break $20. Again, it is a good transactional cryptocurrency. It has some good technologies, but it has some good wallets, and it has a decent sized community. Another thing you have to look for is looking for the community size. Look at their subreddits, things like that. So, because community equals value. Like it or not, you could have an amazing cryptocurrency with no community, no interest. It's not going to have any value, and without value, there's no liquidity because you won't be able to sell and trade because there's no one looking to buy it and sell it. But the RaiBlocks definitely looks like a great cryptocurrency. It's not something I think you should own 100% of your portfolio in, but I think a 5% ratio of your crypto portfolio. If you want it in RaiBlocks, I think that's fine. I think it's a great cryptocurrency. Always diversify your crypto and always do your due diligence. Again, Bollinger Bands right over here. We saw a ton of tightening. They were contracting, and then they widened right up over here, and this indicates a good buying opportunity alongside RSI. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.